Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use PayPal on desktop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Without a doubt, there is no online payment service more known than PayPal. The company has been around since with a simple concept. They store bank account and credit card information so that consumer can make secure online payment without revealing financial information to merchants. Over the time, PayPal added more features such as PayPal link credit, debit, and cash cards, e-commerce business perks, and wire transfer service through Zoom. So, what if you want to use PayPal on desktop? How to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Chrome. You can open your Chrome and you can just type PayPal. In here, you can choose here, login PayPal. You can login if you already have an account, but if you want to sign up, you can just choose on sign up. We'll try to login. You can enter your phone number or email. Now tap on next. Click on next. You can enter your password. Click on login. So now you have login to your PayPal account. Here's your account as you can see in here. Here's the information for your balance. You can see in here send payment to another. You can see your wallet, your activity. You can see in here. So now you can use your PayPal on this desktop. You can add your card or bank in here. You can create an invoice. You can create estimate. You can go to resolution center. You can request balance maybe to your friends, or you can send balance in here. But before that, maybe you can just add your credit card first to your PayPal. But I this is my new account. I haven't add my debit card. So that is here you can use your PayPal on your desktop or PC or laptop. So that is how to use PayPal on desktop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.